I guess welcome to Michigan for the people that haven't been here before. I am up in the northern part of Michigan. If we can, yeah, I guess we can see that. That's kind of small print down here, but that's Detroit down here. I live up in the northern part of Michigan. It's a resort area where everybody comes to play, and I get to live here. And great place to live, and we love it here. Yep, good observation. I have a threaded. Well, I can talk about this a little bit, I guess, quickly here. I designed this because of the hollowing process. When we're hollowing with a captured system, you have to get dead on the center line. And this allows me very small incremental movements to raise it up and down to get on that center line. It takes all of when the drill hole is gone and you're working in the bottom of a hollow form, it takes all the frustration of that little nub out of the bottom if we can get dead on the center line. I love it for everything that I turn, because once I set this at the height I want, the nut now keeps my height. Every time I move the tool rest around, I don't lose my height. So it's good for bowls and finials and everything else. When you move your tool rest around, you don't lose your height. So it's a great universal tool rest, but it was designed because of hollowing. So it's got a threaded post on it. If you like the kind of teaching I do and the details that I get into, come back and see me again. Do me a favor, if you will, and talk about this on your Facebook page or to your club members. Put it in your newsletter that this stuff is available for a real reasonable price, and even the vendor showcase, even free events that we do, and point them in our direction. So the resources there, that there's a lot of learning and a lot of fun, a lot of entertainment to be seen, and watching people turn and do their thing. And there's so many different methods and techniques that you can never get tired of watching it. So promote it on your social media, if you will, and pass the good word that we're doing the job up here. And we'll see you in a few weeks.